Hi, hello, and welcome to our channel. I am Jiva Mukesh. In this video, we will learn how to create right-angled triangle patterns using stars, numbers, and letters. This is perfect for beginners learning loops, conditionals, and pattern printing. We will also explore how to modify and create different styles of patterns by using the Java programming language. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated with more programming tutorials. To watch our previous tutorials, click the link in the description below. Let's dive right into today's topic. Before we dive into the problem, we want to know what kind of right-angled triangle patterns we can generate by using stars, numbers, and letters. Pattern 1. For row where I starts from 1 star will be generated I times, row 1 1 star, row 2 2 stars. Pattern 2. For row where I starts from 1, number will be generated exactly I times, row 1 1, row 2 2 2. Pattern 3. For row where I starts from 1, print numbers from 1 up to I, row 1 1, row 2 1 2. Pattern 4. For row where I starts from 1, print I numbers in sequence starts from I, row 1 1, row 2 2 3, row 3 3 4 5. Pattern 5. For row where I starts from 1, print I numbers continuously until reach to end of the row, row 1 1, row 2 2 3, row 3 4 5 6. Pattern 6. For row where I starts from 1, letter will be generated exactly I times, row 1A, row 2BB. Pattern 7. For row where I starts from 1, print letters from A up to I, row 1A, row 2AB. Pattern 8. For row where I starts from 1, print I letters in sequence starts from I, row 1A, row 2BC, row 3CDE. Pattern 9. For row where I starts from 1, print I letters continuously until reach to end of the row, row 1A, row 2BC, row 3DEF. Hope you guys gain a clear understanding of generating right-angled triangle patterns. Now let's take the time for generating these patterns one by one by applying Java code. That's all for today. I hope you guys understood today's topic well. If you have any queries or doubts, please mention them in the comments below, and I will be happy to help. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated with more programming tutorials. See you in the next video.